Alright guys, so I thought I would just share where I'm at with my health and fitness journey. I'm starting to feel like I need to up the intensity a little more. I think I've done really well getting back into the groove of things after having my baby in November, but now I'm feeling like I've hit a little bit of a plateau. So that being said, I am going to do more challenging workouts at the gym. I'm going to use a little more variety, and I'm also going to up the intensity and try and do heavier weights. I'm also going to start adding cardio into the mix. So while I've been doing the stair climber, which is definitely cardio, a big focus of mine before was getting back into running. And so that's what I'm going to start doing 3 times a week. I'm going to try to do 3/4 of a mile Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And that's how I'm going to start my workouts. Then I'm going to do my lifting session, and then I'm going to go back and do the stairs. I usually do about 25 minutes on the stairs. And I'm hoping I'm going to see more results and progress with that. I also am going to go back to a lower carb diet. So I'm going to breakfast, lunch, and dinner try to minimize my carbs and maximize my protein. And you're going to see my meals that mostly reflect that change as well. And I'm hoping that with all of that, I just needed a little bit of a detox, a little bit of a revamping of my schedule. So that's why you're going to see, like I said, more low carb meals, more intense workouts. That's going to be my new plan from here. So today's day 1 of the rest of my life. No, but it is day 1. So I guess I will see you after the gym. And here's the setup. We've got my Bang Blue Raz. I drink this on the way to the gym currently because I am still breastfeeding, so I don't want to take in super high caffeine. I definitely don't want to take pre-workout. This here is high caffeine, but I only drink about half of it, and then I give my husband the other half on the way home. And then giant bottle of water. And I try to drink this whole thing while I'm at the gym. Okay, so I'm home now, and the first thing I'm going to do today is make some protein coffee, which is a really easy thing to do. Just place it in a blender with some almond milk, regular milk, water, whatever liquid you want, with a scoop of protein powder. Blend that all up. I usually do chocolate because I like a mocha taste, but you can do vanilla also. And then I will just mix it in with some already made cold brew coffee. Right now I'm using Starbucks. And there you go. You've got some protein. It's a little more filling, and it gives you some natural. So again, today I am using oat milk. I use about 8 ounces, but I do eyeball it, and I make a large serving so that I can use it for the rest of the week. Sweet. It just tastes like a lightly sweetened version of your favorite mocha coffee. So if you like any kind of a sweet coffee, this will be in it for you. For breakfast today, I literally just made scrambled egg whites, and I made 1/2 cups worth. Seasoned it with Trader Joe's onion salt and some cayenne pepper, and that was good to go for me. Quick and easy. I didn't have a lot of time today, so this was just a quick, easy breakfast. And when all cooked, this is what 1/2 cup of egg whites looks like. so small, and that's why it's important to measure your food, because sometimes you don't realize just how much you're eating when you just pour things. So this is going to be breakfast and perfect time because my son just woke up. And fun fact, you can actually eat the skin on a kiwi, and I do that for extra fiber. So that's the meal, and I'm going to continue reading my book that I started and stopped a while ago because I have a hard time sticking with nonfiction books. Fiction books? Nonfiction. So I wanted to show you guys how I am making my own baby food for Brooks using the Bayaba baby food processor. Right now I'm sticking to single foods, so we've done green beans, and currently we are on to diced avocados. I love making my own baby food currently because I can control the ingredients that go into it, including sugars, added salt, anything that might be in baby food that I don't want. So what you first start with is measuring out water to the veggie that you're choosing. The instruction manual and online will have those posted. Avocados was to fill water line 1, and these are frozen, so I just toss them right into the freezer basket, click it in, place the top over it, and it's got a little latch here, and then you are good to go. So you start it by pressing the center button here, and it will steam the veggies until they are cooked throughout. This took about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm not entirely sure because I didn't time it, but it doesn't take very long. And when you open it up, you can see they are steaming and completely cooked. You simply toss them into the bottom with the drained water that comes from the veggies, and it creates a really smooth puree. And you can see here, this is like a food processor, and it chops everything up really easily. So for the record, Brooks actually liked the avocados, so this was a total win for me. For dinner tonight, I wanted to make something slightly low carb but still really filling. I am choosing to make stuffed peppers, and I actually am stuffing these with ground beef, black lentils, and riced cauliflower. And let me tell you guys, these came out amazing. So to make these, you simply preheat your oven to 375, prep your ingredients, create your taco seasoning, cook the beef with the seasoning, and then when you're ready at the end, add in the lentils, the cauliflower, and the cheese, give it all a quick stir, and then toss it back in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And then at the end, I topped mine with a little bit more cheese because you can never have too much. And there you have it, super simple, super easy to make, and a low carb dinner. that's going to be it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I am looking forward to making more of these. I really enjoy watching and creating these, so let me know if there's anything that you want to see in the comments below, but otherwise, have a fantastic day.